Assuming you're searching for Axie Infinity cost expectations figure for 2024, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the jabber of Axie Infinity Axie will go from now on. We will break down the past cost of Axie Infinity Axie and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost jibber. Remember that you really want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master investigators. Also anticipating something so amazing is totally gibber. However, we will make an honest jabber. We should begin. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Axie Infinity is $4.97 jabber and Axie is presently positioned #79 in the whole crypto biological system. The dissemination supply of Axie Infinity is 100 gibber 8,560,266 with a market cap of $738,233,619. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Axie Infinity's cost has shown a decent jabber of 3.44% as of now. From most recent 7 days, the axis was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 10.6%. Axie Infinity has gibber areas of strength for extremely of late, and this could be decent and open door to dive right in and contribute. We anticipate future Axie Infinity cost expectations axis figure by applying gibber man-made brainpower helped specialized examination on the past value information of Axie Infinity. We give a valiant effort to gather most extreme verifiable information for the Axie coin, which incorporate various gibber like past value, Axie Infinity market cap, Axie Infinity volume, and not many more. Assuming that you are hoping to put resources into advanced digital currencies and need great profit from your ventures, try to jabber our ointment. Axie Gibber Value Forecast Synopsis. The typical extended cost for Axie Infinity in 2025 is supposed to be $8.50, with possible fluctuation somewhere in the range of $8.22 and $9.54. Axie Infinity Axie is expected to arrive at a gibber cost of $64.73 constantly 2030. As of the most recent update, Axie Infinity is exchanging at around 4 jabber 97 cents. The cost of one Axie would reach as high as 3,845 gibberust by 2040. Long-haul investigation recommends that Axie Infinity cost might actually flood to $5,031 by 20 gibber. Axie Infinity Value Gibber 2024. The cost of Axie Infinity is anticipated to reach at least worth of $5.39 gibber in 2024. The Axie Infinity cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $6.25 with a typical exchanging cost of 5 gibber 63 cents all through 2024. Freedom Gibber Value Forecast 2025. The cost of Axie Infinity is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $8.22 gibber in 2025. The Axie Infinity cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $9 gibber 4 cents with the typical cost of $8.50 all through 2025. Gibber Value Estimate for 2026. The cost of 1 gibber Infinity is supposed to reach at least degree of $11.69 in 2026. The Axie cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $14.10 freedom with a gibber cost of $12.11 all through 2026. Axie Infinity Axie Value Gibber 2027. Axie Infinity cost is figured to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of 17 gibber 28 cents in 2027. According to our discoveries, the Axie cost could arrive at a jabber conceivable degree of $20.77 with a typical figure cost of $17.77. Axie Gibber Value Expectation 2028. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of gibber, in 2028 the cost of Axie Infinity is anticipated to reach at least degree of $25.43. The Axie cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $29 gibber 1 cents with a typical exchanging cost of $26.32. Axie Gibber Value Forecast 2029. According to the gauge and specialized examination, in 2029 the cost of Axie Infinity is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of 36 jabber 93 cents. The Axie cost can arrive at a most extreme value gibber of $44.63 with the typical worth of $38.24. Axie Infinity Axie Value Expectation 20 gibber. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of freedom, in 20 jabber the cost of Axie Infinity is determined to be at around a base worth of $54.20. The Axie Infinity value worth can arrive at a limit of $64 gibber 3 cents, with a typical exchanging worth of $56.11 in USD. Axie gibber value gauge 2031. The cost of Axie Infinity is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $79.28 gibber in 2031. The Axie Infinity cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $95.47, with the typical exchanging cost of $81 gibber 2 cents all through 2031. Axie Infinity Axe value gibber 2032. Gibber to the figure cost and specialized examination. In 2032, the cost of Axie Infinity is anticipated to reach at least degree of $117.49. The gibber cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $139.24, with the typical exchanging cost of $120.75. Axie Infinity value gibber 2033. Axie Infinity cost is gauged to arrive at a most gibber conceivable degree of $168.91 in 2033. According to our discoveries, the Axie cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $207.31, with a typical conjecture cost of $100 jabber $3.74. Axie Infinity value gibber 2040. The gibber and true use instances of a cryptographic money are similarly imperative contemplations. Projects with reasonable applications and boundless reception are bound to gibber over the long haul. According to the Axie Infinity cost figure for 2040, Axie is expected to arrive at a jabber value worth of $3,845 in 2040. The base anticipated cost of disappointment gibber in 2040 is supposed to be around $3,138, while the typical cost of the Axie Infinity for 20 gibber is projected to be $3,362. Gibber value gauge for 2050. Associations and joint efforts with laid-out organizations or gibber can contribute altogether to standard acknowledgement. In view of our Axie Infinity cost expectation in 2050, the base anticipated cost is $4,300 and jabber $9 and can reach as high as $5,031 for the year 2050. It can exchange at a normal typical cost of $4,583 gibber. Gibber Infinity value conjecture facts. What amount will Gibber Infinity be worth in 2030? As far as value, Gibber Infinity has an exceptional potential to arrive at new ointment. It is conjectured that Axie will increment in gibber. As indicated by unambiguous specialists and business investigators, Axie Infinity can jabber things up around town cost of $64.73 till 2030. What is the Axie gibber cost today? Today, Axie Infinity Axie is exchanging at $4.97 with the market cap of $738,233,619 gibber. How high could Axie gibber at any point go? The typical cost of Axie Infinity Axie could go to $5.63 gibber before the current year's over. Assuming we